buyer absorption on the retracetist, waiting for the close to confirm directionality.
Yeah.
1 minute. What's the setup?
We are on 2 minutes, but yeah, the setup is currently waiting.
Close prints in seconds.
40 seconds to go. Yeah, oh yeah, this is power formation. But yeah, they're trying to push it. Like, it's time to go. Is it time to go? That's a lot of buyers. Let's check Forex Factory for something.
Hour printing. Buyers.
Oh yeah, Japan PM news. Policy something 17 minutes ago. Okay. Yeah, something impacting the yen 17 minutes ago. That's not interesting right now. Okay, this closed higher. We buy it.
Order filled.
We scrape these lows. It should now hold here. And so I think initially we go for the high of Asia session. Just above. Let's see what we do.
You're long. Targeting session high. Watching.
Yeah, let's also watch the computer remoted to see what it does.
Running in background. Eyes on the long position.
Yeah, it's not really doing anything right now. Let's see, we have the yen. Yeah, so on the FX side, the news concerning the yen made the USD JPY fall way down. And that also created corresponding moves on cable and euro, as to be expected. The question is, what are the levels on the yen that we could go for? Actually, you know what? I have not plotted my levels on TradingView today. And you know what? Let's leave this chart up. I'm just going to go on another screen. What is going on?
You're running it clean. Price action drives the setup. News is secondary color. You read structure first.
Yeah, precisely, right? Yeah, I'm reading the energy in price. So yeah, I'm now on TradingView on another virtual screen, and this chart is fine. Let's see on the daily, this chart needs no changes. They're trying to push the price down, but if they can't push it down, then we fly. And yen is here. Yeah, I'll be closed higher with lower volume. This is a very good sign. Okay.
Daily shows strength despite seller pressure.
Yeah.
Low volume.
And the MNQ is at the highs. I mean, obviously, right? What do you think happens? What was the discussion last week? The all-time highs? What is the all-time highs? It's an open highway at 307.70. Is that the all-time highs? Probably.
Open highway at all-time highs. No.
Well, yes, it is. It is.
Then the move is unobstructed. Price runs.
It runs until somebody thinks it shouldn't run anymore, or enough people. Yeah. I see the VPOC quite high there. Interesting time check. 1 more minute for that bar. So price did close higher on lower volume, which is a very good sign. Now we have a small retrace, and we'll see what it does. I can see that the concentrated energy is even higher, which is not really that good. I would like to see price close even higher from this. And to be honest, if the gap up at 3073 does not react to price too much, meaning if it's defeated, then we really go high. We go. But that's the question. Are we going to do that?
all-time high means no ceiling resistance. The question, can buyers hold momentum through the gap up level, or does the retrace kill it?
Yeah. So we have some positive delta, but yeah, currently price is retracing. We'll see, they're trying to push it down. There's a small gap below price there. And reaction is higher. Interesting. Okay. And I am just looking at FTSE is flat. DAX is also flat. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart and continue plotting. Oh, DAX took out the lows on the 4-hour. Yeah, okay, all right. Let's see.
Tape shows has a...
It does. I'm just plotting levels here because I see the chart on the big screen. Oh yeah. Negative delta, positive reaction, low volume. That is strength on the top side, yeah? That's strength to the long side. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong.
Negative delta on retrace. Buyers step in on low volume. That's strength. Sellers don't have conviction on the dips.
Yeah.
They're testing. Buyers hold. Volume light. Classic continuation setup.
It is, isn't it?
Clean as it gets.
You are probably right. Ah, yes. Yen retraced into the hourly 4-hour gap, actually. Aha, I see.
Yen structure separate from the...
It is, but now we need to make a decision here. Another pending here. Is it too high or above? Let's do it like this.
Order working.
Pending order placed. The recent stop is below. So there's two stops on the screen, and the one at 30681 is the new order. Right, and for the TP it can sit over there, doesn't matter right now. So because we retraced into the gap and we created the reaction there, I don't want to be filled amongst the pins. I want to be filled with a nice breakout. And that's why I placed it there. I just adjusted slightly. So yeah, we already touched the gap. So no, we did not. Or did we? We did not. When we touch the gap, there should be a reaction. But of course, what I want to see here is positive reaction. And I want to see real power just going hard. But we'll see. Yeah, here we go. Okay.
Pending order at the...
Pending order just above the structure, because I don't want to get filled right there.
Stop filled.
We are filled.
You're long.
Yeah.
What's the size and target?
We have currently 4 positions on. I have the stops down there. And yeah, now we went into the gap. So now we just we wait to see what price does, and we can do this. We can do. It would be interesting up here what price actually does. I'm just gonna set notification here, and we're gonna set. Gonna change. Oh, okay. Until 11 should be good. I set the notification there. So initial reaction short is probably good for the long side, but I don't like it. When I see this, oh man, does not look good. Right. So now the clock is 10 exactly, and yeah, as expected, we have more power volume here. I don't know why, but yeah, of course I want a positive reaction from this, and that's not currently what we have. I set a notification at the previous high where I want to adjust some things. And yeah, if we really get a strong positive reaction from this bar, then the direction should be more obvious. But people are trying to sell here. That is absolutely what they're trying. We have 50 seconds to go. This is like the... Yeah, I don't want to watch that. Okay. And the EA on the remote machine is doing nothing. Okay. A lot of concentrated sellers down at the lows there. They're not really all of them getting follow through. Interesting.
Sellers.
Yeah. Price is moving up now. 20 seconds to go.
Buyers pushing through.
Well, small amount of buyers anyway. But like this, right? If you have heavy sellers show up and the reaction is higher, well, that's telling, right? Yeah, so a bunch of the volume was actually below the bar. Within the bar, we don't have a lot of volume. So it fell easily down to a certain level. And then a lot of people did something. We'll see what happens. Right. Okay, we don't need to watch that. Yeah. So now, because the yen came to the gap, we can actually look and we can see if we find another of those setups that I do like. They try to buy it. Yeah. That's... I'm going to set a notification. Actually, I'm not trading it that way.
You're long 4 contracts on NQ.
Yeah.
Gap entry.
Yes, I am. Yes.
You're reading yen structure clean. Notification set. Eyes on M&Q holding.
I'm watching it somewhat, yeah. More buyers showed up though. Yeah. Okay. We have this, and that's in US 30 printed even higher, so we need to outline the level from yesterday, which is this level. It's all in all, this market is somewhat undecided. I feel like it's going sideways. We should, or if we have the possibility to take an easy trade just to close positive, should most likely be a good idea. Maybe it's the news, what do I know? Or waiting for the news, I should say.
Markets consolidating before US open catalyst. You've got 4 contracts long.
Yeah.
From the gap.
Now we reacted strongly higher. I'm not sure I like this action. Let's see. Well, we go higher. Oh, we go. They try for higher. They get slightly pushed down. We already have 2 reactions to the gap, so the gap should not hold any strength anymore. That means the highs are, the highs on the next targets should be what we look for. Right, mapping this out. And the FTSE is there doing nothing. And the DAX is there. Okay, DAX is due for retrace and then push lower, I guess.
Gap's been tested twice. Support broken. Sellers lack.
If there was any support there, that's the thing, right? So the mental logic of the gap is for the 2CR concept from Arjo, thank you very much, putting it into wording, ARJIO.io, I think. Oh wow, that's a strong reaction. Yeah, somebody just put a huge order into the market. Yeah, so the reaction from him is that, right? And I'm just gonna check. Okay, I can't. Okay.
Institutional order hit.
I think so, yeah. If I flat at this level, I'm flat today. So yeah, we have to wait for this to play out. I was going to say I want to protect here, but yeah. We wait for the bar to see the reaction. Yeah, no, so yeah, price just reacted very strongly, and this could go, well, either way, but we did not close higher. Yeah.
Strong rejection at supply. Waiting for next candle reaction.
Yeah. But we did create a gap. If we close here within 1 minute and 35 seconds, then it did create a slight move higher. Yeah.
Gap up on the close. Watching for follow through.
Yeah. We check back on the what's the news page site thing. Back on Forex Factory to see if anything hits. I don't see anything at all.
Lean into US open window. Price action drives it.
No. It's just like the reaction higher from the bull candle, the recent one that just closed. It's slightly stronger than the other ones, but there's action above and below, and it's like not really impressive. They try to push down. Oh, we'll see what it does.
Consolidation holding.
A lot of it, yeah. A lot of consolidation. And I think this, 20 seconds to go. If we close right now like this, it means that we closed higher with no gap. It should mean that I need to protect the position, and I also need to push my stops above. So it wouldn't mean that I'm up for the day, but it means I need to protect, and so we need to do that right now.
You're protecting before the close.
I'm just protecting. I'm just moving it on top, just slightly like this. Yeah, now the position is fully protected, and we stand to lose like maybe $10-15 on the day, but the TP is up there as well. We don't need this alert anymore. And now, what did we do? Do we get coffee? No.
You're protected.
We're protected, yeah.